about the coaches as well.
Yes, so we had Coach Chips Beltran, who was
my classmate.
Yeah. So ito na, nagka-expose na talaga tayo ng edad.
And then we also had Coach Lemon Diaz last time, who is the coach of Filipino All-Stars. Yes.
There you go. Okay.
Oh,
so
and we also had Coach Jobel Dairit. Yeah, who is the founder of D-Grind.
So talagang in-involve talaga yung dance community natin, especially the coaches as well. So we know na talagang mag-guide ng maayos yung ating dance contenders dito sa Time to Dance. Okay, now, let's talk about yung kung paano manalo dito sa Time to Dance. Ano ba yung hinahanap natin para sa ating Time to Dance champion?
Coach Vinny?
Robbie?
Sabihin ko ba? Coach Vinny. I think for all the technicals, syempre.
Well, of course, you have to be the best at what you do. It's still a competition. So we're looking for, out of all the auditionees that made it through, eventually, there's only one winner. So the technicality of it, of course, you need to be really skilled as a dancer. You have to be creative. But on top of that also, kailangan very competitive ka because it's gonna be a long journey and you can be the most creative, you can be the most skilled, but if your endurance and your fighting spirit is medyo shaky, hindi ka tatagal because there will always be pressure, and pressure is good. It helps us grow as long as you embrace that. So for me, yun lang talaga. As in, I'm sure at the end of this first season, we'll have the best dancer there is win the first title as Time to Dance Grand Champion.
If I may add in,
Sure.
Kasi dance is not just movement so they need to be skilled in performing kasi a lot of people will be watching them. So as a performer, you need to know how to use not only your moves, pero your emotion to be able to tell a story that everybody will be able to connect and be impacted by.
Yes. Facial expressions, napakahalaga nun. Di ba, Robbie?
Ako puro facial expression lang.
Kaya mo yung part na yun, di ba?
If I may add, yun.
Yes, pero sobrang excited na kaming lahat for Time to Dance. And to make us even more excited, mapapanood na po natin ngayon ang Time to Dance AVP! Let's all watch this! Hanggang ngayon...
Sabi kasi 53 times ka na umiiyak.
Pero grabe nga, no? Their backgrounds, their stories. Oh my gosh, umiiyak na talaga si Jenna!
Sorry. Oh my goodness.
Nababalik ka dun sa moment.
Yes!
Oo.
All coming back. Can we ask for a tissue?
Sorry. And nagulat din kami, aside from Jella, naging emotional dun si Ken dun sa nakita natin sa AVP,
Sobrang ako na-relate sa kanya.
Yeah. So Jella, ikaw, bakit ka biglang naiiyak? Nabalik ka ba dun sa moment na yun?
Yes, ate. And yun nga po, may mga nakita rin kasi ako there. I'm not gonna spoil it, pero syempre may mga natanggal na. And I remember them and their stories. And it touched me again. Whew! Oh my God, di pa nga I'm crying again.
Sabado pa.
Goodness! But yeah, it's just so, that was the first time we saw that din kasi ate.
Oh.
Yeah. So, I'm so happy. Thank you.
Yes. It is looking to be one great emotional dance survival reality show that we should all look forward to this Saturday. Again, Time to Dance is co-produced by ABS-CBN Studios and Nathan Studios. So abangan po natin yan. At ngayon, mayroon naman tayong sabay-sabay ding makikita kung kanina sabay-sabay tayong nanood ng AVP. Now, it's time to present to everyone the official...
I think
Sample pa yun.
Abuela niya bago siya mag-backflip.
Sa dinami-dami ng pinicture natin, yun ang ginawa, yung patanon pa lang ako. Wala man na sa ere na. Ay, nako. No, but we took a lot of photos, videos actually for that, and we're so happy with the outcome. Yun yung
pupunta.
Ano ka na, 35 ka na. Oo, yun na yung posing mo. Pag ano ka na.
Uy, dancer ka dun. Oo. Hindi naiiba kay Jella.
Sabi ko
World champion.
100% facial expression.
Perfect for poster.
Yeah, for poster.
Uy, may tanong ako. Makikita ka ba namin sumayaw dito, Robbie?
I think yes. Part lang.
Meron. May dance front.
May konti lang. Pero dahil lang kayo kay Coach Baby.
Aabangan ng natin. Aabangan ng taong bayan.
Yes.
Dance front mo. But, you know, as we all know, this is really another milestone for Jella. Dahil first time niyo to na mag-host. Yes. So, as one of the highest paid hosts in the country,
Baka maniwala sila.
ano bang masasabi mo naman dun sa experience hosting with Jella? Kamusta naman ang kanyang first hosting experience?
I have to be honest. And this is in line with Time to Dance too. Para siyang yung tagline eh. It's gigil at galing. Gigil at galing. Kitang-kita kay Jella yung gigil talaga na pag-ibayuhin pa yung kanyang craft, especially sa pananalita. And for me, ang laki ng improvement niya since day one. Lalong-lalo na when it comes to hosting, what you want is that connection. It's not all about talking. At ramdam na ramdam namin yun lahat, not just with the contestants, not just with the judges, but everyone in the set. So, huwag kang umiyak ha. I just have to tell you, I'm so proud of you.
Now I'm gonna cry.
Oh, I'm so proud of you.
Rate mo siya.
Huh?
Rate mo siya.
Grabe.
Pasado ka na to the next round. Time for you to level up to the next round.
Thank you, Kuya. And I wouldn't be able to do that, ate, without Kuya Robbie. Kasi from the start pa lang sinabi ko kay Kuya Robs, I'm so scared. I don't know. Like, I kind of entered blind kasi I really didn't have any experience with hosting. So, yun. Thank you, Kuya, for the guidance. As in, lagi ko pinagmamayabang na I wouldn't also be the host that I am now and where I am now if it weren't for you. So, thank you, Kuya.
Thank you. But actually, it's not just me na grabe yung may instance of pride sa kanya. Maraming tao rin ang gustong sabihin na at pinagyayabang na kilala ka nila at proud sila sa'yo. At kung sino pa sila, you better watch this.
Thank you for having me also as a guest judge. I'm so excited to see the show, and I'm so excited to have everyone watch this as well and support you on your journey as a new Gen host. Wow, congratulations. I love you so much. Message ko para kay Jella. Well, una sa lahat, I hope you like the song. I hope you're okay with me singing it. I'm so proud of you and everything that you do. And everything that you do, I know you work your hardest. And I know I haven't seen you in forever, but always know you're like a sister to me. And I can't wait to see what you can do for the dance community here in the Philippines and what you've already done worldwide. I'm already so proud of you.
Hi, Time to Dance family. I just want to say congratulations. I am so proud of you. I think you got the best team to create this amazing dance contest. I am so proud of you, Jella, for initiating something like this. Kailangan natin to, we need new talents, we need new moves and new concepts, and I think this is such a great way to make that happen. And also, Robbie, congratulations, you have done it again, another show for you. You're always the best host for our generation, and this is just timely. So congratulations guys, and can't wait to guest in your show.
Hi Jess, congratulations with your new show, your Kuya Robbie. Congratulations to the both of you for Time to Dance. It's always Time to Dance for you. You've never let go. You've always stayed in the dancing community no matter what you have been doing. Kahit na you went through showbiz na, you're so busy with school, you always took care of your passion, of your dancing. It's always been your playground. From watching me and maybe the whole team dancing to doing all this inspiring things. No, you've done much more than what I've done during my times, and you can never compare. You're such a great dancer. You're an inspiration to the youth. I'm just very proud of what you've become on stage and outside as a human being, as a person, as a sister. You've been nothing but a great person, so continue doing what you're doing. You're doing great. I'm very proud of you, and yun, take care and good luck. Just keep dancing. It's always gonna be time to dance.
Ayun na nga, binigyan na ako ng tissue paper kanina kasi before pa mag-start yung video, alam na namin ito ang magiging ending. Jella is pure heart talaga, diba? Talagang punong-puno ng puso, and that's why kita naman natin talaga yung reaction niya, very authentic.
Anak ni Sylvia Sanchez.
Talaga ni Sylvia Sanchez.
So, Jella, what's your reaction after seeing those special messages from Kyla Cherry, Enchong V, Darren, and of course, Kong Arjo?
Yeah, thank you. Those are like the boys in my life na before I entered showbiz pa, I was close to Darren, Kyle, and Kuya Chong. So they've really seen me. Dancer pa lang ako. Dancer lang, di pa ako artista. They saw how passionate I was na with it. So, thank you guys. Thank you for the messages. I love you guys. And to Kuya naman, me and Kuya don't talk kasi a lot. So when it's like messages like this, I get really like emotional because we're not ma-words. Like me and Kuya, us siblings, di kami ma-words. So when I get stuff like that, I get really emotional because it's like a reward. It's a reward and a reminder to keep going. And naiyak ako when he said that I never let go because that's true. There were so many times talaga. It brought me back to the moments na I wanted to stop dance or give up, but then I would remember Kuya. Like he's really one of the people that kept me going. So yeah, seeing that and hearing all of that coming from him is just so touching to me. So yeah, thank you Kuya, I love you.
Yes. I'm sure nga, kaya pala ganun yung reaction na lang ni Jella kasi hindi pala sila ma-works masyado as a family. Tapos yun, ang daming sinabing magagandang bagay ni Kong Arjo. Yes. And Robbie, in-expect ko may iyak ka rin kasi sinabi ni Enchong.
Kaya nga maraming salamat kay Enchong at kay Kong. Dinamay niyo po ako sa mensahe niyo. But I'm close to those two. So actually, to all of the people na nandun din, maraming salamat. And I just can't wait for you guys to see them in that show as well.
Yes. Nakita na nga natin yung ilan sa ating celebrity dancers. And para mabigyan din tayo ng teaser sa mga kasama pa nating celebrity dancers and